Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful festival pudding. This is Sheer Khurma. Now this is very rich and creamy, made with vermicelli and a lot of dry fruits and nuts. It's very tasty. Let's get started and check out the recipe. To a pan, I add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to roast the vermicelli. I've taken about 1/3 cup. Roast the vermicelli on a medium-low flame because this can turn brown very quickly. You don't want to burn it. So once it's turned to a golden brown color, remove from the pan and keep it aside. So now we're going to roast the dates. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I've just cut up about 10 pitted dates. I've just cut them a bit thin. You can cut them into small pieces if you like. Roast the dates for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the pan and keep it aside. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. Now we're going to start roasting all the nuts together. I've taken 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. Add the chopped cashew nuts. I've taken about 1/4 cup of almonds. Add the sliced almonds, that is the badam. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of pistachios. Just chop them. Add the chopped pistachios. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of chironji seeds. Roast the nuts for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So now you can see the nuts have turned to a lovely golden color. Remove them from the pan and keep it aside. So finally I'm going to roast some raisins. To the pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. Add the raisins. Just roast them till they plump up. Now that we have all the elements ready, now let's start making the sheer khurma. Take a nice wide pan. For this recipe, I'm taking 1 liter of full fat milk. This is boiled milk. Pour it into the pan. Once the milk has heated up, add the roasted vermicelli. Mix it in. So we're going to wait till the vermicelli is completely cooked. So you can see the milk has reduced and the vermicelli is cooked. So make sure the vermicelli is completely cooked before you add the sugar. So I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar. You can check for sweetness, and if you like a little more sugar, you can add it according to your taste. Cardamom is going to add a lot of flavor to the sheer khurma. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Just add 2 drops of rose essence. Don't add too much of rose essence because it can make the sheer khurma very strong. You don't want that. So it's just a very mild flavoring. Now add the dates. Now add the roasted nuts and the roasted raisins. Mix everything together. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the stove. This incredibly rich and delicious sheer khurma is ready to be served. You can serve it nice and warm, or you can chill it and then serve it. There you go, that sheer kurma looks absolutely delicious. It's loaded with dry fruits and nuts and that vermicelli. It's so rich and creamy. It's a perfect pudding for any festivals. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.